Welcome to the innovative world of KI, where the future of material engineering meets precision manufacturing. At KI, versatility is at the core of our operations. We specialize in a wide range of thermoset and thermoplastic materials, offering an array of colors to meet your most challenging design requirements. Our state-of-the-art two-shot molding process ensures seamless integration of multiple materials in a single part, enhancing functionality while maintaining aesthetic appeal. With our advanced three-shot molding, we take complexity and precision to the next level, enabling the production of components with intricate designs and superior performance. Our insert molding capabilities allow the incorporation of different materials into one component, such as metal and plastic, creating parts that are robust, reliable, and ready for any challenge. Gas assist injection molding at KI is revolutionizing the industry, producing lighter, stronger, and more complex parts with impeccable surface finishes. And for those larger-than-life projects, our large tonnage molding services can handle it all, delivering consistency, scalability, and precision on a massive scale. At KI, we don't just mold materials, we shape the future. Your vision, our expertise. Together, let's create the extraordinary.